Welcome. Take a moment just for yourself. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your body relaxing. Again, breathe in deeply and gently release. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering your body and leaving your body. There is nothing to control. Just observe your breathing. Now, imagine yourself near a peaceful river. You can hear the gentle sound of flowing water. The air is fresh and calm. Feel your body becoming lighter. With every breath in, feel calm entering your body. With every breath out, release all stress. Let your thoughts flow, just like the water. No resistance, just peace. You are calm. You are safe. You are present in this moment. Now slowly bring your awareness back. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calmness with you